yesterday's whole
See, yesterday, you know that why this incident happened. The entire country was protesting. The legislative party in the assembly and council also was protesting on the issue of saving the Baba Sahib Ambedkar and his whatever the name he has earned and whatever the constitution has given on the statement of our home minister. So when such thing was being given, he unnecessarily has taken up the name of Rahul Gandhi, that is a drug addict. Is Rahul Gandhi a drug addict? That is why she has questioned him. So he has said that then ultimately you have in your vehicle 2 people have died. You are a murderer. That is what she has commented. What I am speaking, everything is on record. Everything has been videographed. So which has been already been released. Some of them are showing, some of them are not showing. But still, so immediately he has said that you are a prostitute. So this is the culture of the more than 10 dozen times he has said that. So this is the culture of the BJP. So she has filed a complaint before the council chairman, and council chairman did not allow to be debated or discussed on this issue. He has made a sign die, immediately has closed the house, and ultimately she has filed before the police station, and the law is taking its own course. That is what I know, and he is meeting all the leaders in the police station. Some party, BJP legislative party meeting is going on in the police station itself. What more freedom he has got, though police is not about to do all those things.
BJP leader saying that is the arrest of teacher is not appropriate.
I know. Can he do whatever he can't do in the assembly? Can he murder someone? Can he abuse anything? What is the modesty of a woman? It is the modesty of woman. Can he speak anything? If someone speak to his mother or his family members, will they allow something? Huh? Why BJP is not criticizing his action? Why BJP women leaders or any leaders, national leaders are not criticizing whatever he said? Do you people, media people also agree to his statement? It is very unfortunate. They speak on Hinduism, they speak on Matai, they speak of Bharat Mate. Is this Bharat Mate? How can someone speak on his modesty?
Sir, police are acting as per Congress's instructions. BJP is leadership.
I do not know. You can ask with the police. According to me, police are too much allowing. See, he is in the custody of a